bedroom is one of the most personal spaces in your home. It's where you relax and recharge, so there's no reason why it shouldn't have your full attention. But before you even think of shopping to upgrade your bedroom, consider these helpful pointers to make your space as luxurious as it can be. Incorporate a rug. Adding texture and warmth to your bedroom is one of the easiest ways to boost its style factor. Whether you're partial to florals or understated designs, like jute, a chic rug can pull your bedroom together in an instant. Display art. Show off your style with a statement piece of artwork, whether it's a sculpture, photograph, or colorful painting. While it can certainly be displayed on a wall, leaning your favorite piece against a wall can be just as powerful. Please ensure that you overfill your throw pillows. There's something so luxurious about plush, overfilled throw pillows, which go a long way in transforming your bedroom from everyday to a bona fide retreat that emulates the most sumptuous of hotels. Add a hanging light fixture. The boob lights have got to go. Replace them with a statement-making hanging light or a glamorous chandelier. No need to spend too much money. This West Elm Kappa's rectangle chandelier adds a touch of drama and romance. Rethink your nightstand. If you're anything like us, your nightstand is a hodgepodge of essential items: hand creams, charging cords, half-full glasses of water, quarter-finished novels. It's time to rethink how that's all displayed. Hide some things away in a drawer. Display small items in a beautiful tray. Focus on the statement pieces. Dark wood bed frame, a gorgeous gilded dresser, a velvet armchair. Each bedroom has its own centerpiece, but make sure it's the room's focus. Don't clutter the room with too much furniture, instead letting each piece stand on its own. Keep the floor empty. Granted, this is more of an organization and cleanliness tip, but don't let that belie its importance. A cluttered bedroom never looks luxurious, so keep the floor clean and orderly. That means no stacks of books and piles of extension cords, either. Upgrade your hardware. There's no reason to keep the default hardware that came with your dresser and nightstands, unless, of course, it's already visually stunning. Replacing hardware is a cheap and easy way to upgrade your room, and there are so many ways to personalize the look: crystal, gemstone, copper, and so many more. Reorganize your vanity. Just like your nightstand, a cluttered vanity can make your whole bedroom look messy. Now's a good time to buy some makeup organizers, like these inexpensive stackable acrylic chests from the Container Store. Your bedroom makeup vanity is probably your favorite little corner in your house where every morning begins and every night ends. Setting it up in a way that's most convenient for you is key, so you can keep your beauty rituals more enjoyable and get ready for the day stress-free. Organize your vanity from makeup and beauty to skin and haircare products and decoration ideas. Organizing your vanity will save you precious time in the morning. And forget about the headache of rummaging through all your beauty products just to find one lipstick. 1. Start from decluttering and throwing away old, unused products. Check every single beauty product that you have and think about the last time you've used it and if you use it that often. 2. Dedicate each space in your vanity for different beauty, makeup category. You need to find a purpose for every inch of your vanity space. So, spend some time organizing your goodies into categories such as base products, eye makeup, lipsticks, perfumes, etc. 3. Use boxes, containers and lucite organizers. For organizing your vanity like a pro, store each different makeup category in boxes and clear lucite containers. In that way, you will see where every single item is and spend less time looking for your beauty essentials. 4. Divide your drawers. If your makeup collection is massive and you want to keep some items out of sight, makeup drawer dividers will be your best friend. There are millions of different ways to organize your drawers, just choose one that works for you, depending on the type of makeup you use. 5. Keep skin, haircare and beauty, makeup products separate. If you keep your makeup and skincare products in one place, clutter will soon find a way to creep back into your vanity. Decide on a separate storage solution for your beauty products and toiletries. 6. Use makeup brush holders. Keep it simple. Invest into 2 makeup brush holders, one for face and one for eye makeup brushes. Depending on what color your brushes are, it might be difficult to tell if they're dirty. Add greenery. As always, the quickest and easiest way to upgrade your room from average to expensive looking is to add some greenery. What form this takes is up to you. A large fern? Small potted plants on your dresser? No matter how, adding a few plants helps a room make the final leap to luxury. If you feel this is valuable information, then like and subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching us. See you in the next videos.